In the SSCP crypto course, we spent a lot of time talking about the integrity of data and how we could do that. One way to do that is with hashing. And we talked about some of the different hashing algorithms. And I used a hashing example. You might recognize this screen where I changed a text file and was running an MD5 algorithm hash just to show that the numbers get changed so that you could tell if somebody had modified a text file. If you wrote a text file and got the hash algorithm and you ran that and you got the hash for it, and then went back and checked it later and the number was different, you know it got changed. And in these examples, to show you the numbers, I was using Windows PowerShell, and Windows PowerShell has a built-in command that you can use called get-file-hash. Now, in a little bit, I'm going to give you a document that gives you other programs that you can use for hashing, but I just wanted you to know that you have one that's built right in that lets you use a variety of different protocols. Now, what I had done, though, was I had written my own version of this and changed what it displayed because I was using it more of a research or learning tool. The version that I wrote was called Get My File Hash. It would let you give a path to a file, or you could get a collection of files. You could take more than one file, and it would display all of the algorithms that were supported by Windows, that were built in supported by Windows, and the different hash numbers that they would get. So you not only got to look at MD5, you got to look at SHA-1, SHA-256, all the way up to SHA-512. So you could see, you got triple DES, so you could see the difference and how these hashes looked for what you were using. Now, I've gotten a lot of requests about this, so I wanted to give this to you because this isn't built into Windows, and I haven't shared it anywhere else, but you get it here with the additional files. You will get a module that has Get My File Hash in it. Now, I could show you the code to this, but unless you're into PowerShell, the code doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So what I wanted to do was give you the module and tell you how to install it if you wanted to play with this. Now, if you are into PowerShell, please feel free to go ahead and look at the code that's in this module and feel free to change it, modify it, make it your own, make your own tool if you want. It's there for you. So out of the files that you can download, you'll extract the hash.zip, which becomes a folder called hash. And you copy that hash folder to C program files. There's a space between there in program files. Windows PowerShell modules. You copy that folder out there. This is a place where you can write your own PowerShell modules, and those modules and those commands or functions that you wrote into those modules will be available to you when you open up a PowerShell session. Now, I wrote this to help you understand how to use it. So I put in some help and some examples. So once you have it copied out there, you can do get-help, get-my-file-hash-detailed, and it's going to give you a bunch of information about what it does. And there's a couple of examples in there on how to use it so you can start looking at files and getting results right away. You don't have to code anything yourself in this case. But please feel free, if you are into it, change it, suit your own needs, do whatever you want with it. And having said that, this is one way to be able to work with file hashes and take a look at them. It's a great learning tool for that. But now it's time I want to give you a lot more tools to help you out.